Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you will learn the easiest, simplest yet effective way of calculating your ovulation. If this is what you will love to watch, relax, let's dive into the video. So the first step is to know the length of your cycle. Knowing the length of your cycle will make it easy for you to calculate your ovulation. If you don't know how to calculate it, or you don't know the length of your cycle, let's do it together. Let's assume you start your period on day 10. We are using March and April for an instance. You start your period on day 10. That day 10 is your day 1 of your cycle. You start counting from that 10, 11, 12. So 10 is day 1, 11 is day 2, 12 is day 3. So you number it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. On 30th of March is your day 21 of your cycle. You continue the first day of April, that is 1st April, is day 22 of your cycle. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Let's assume you see your next period on 9th of April. That is 30-day cycle. So on the 9th, make it 30. So the length of your cycle is 30-day cycle. It's very simple. The first day of your period till the first day of your next period. The length in between the 2 months is the length of your cycle. So we got 30. So let's assume your length is 30. So to calculate your ovulation, you will do 30. That is the length of your cycle minus your luteal phase. Luteal phase is normally 14 days. So you do 30 minus 14, your luteal phase. It will give you 16. Let's assume the length of your cycle is 30 minus 14 from it, your luteal phase. It will give you 16. So you're ovulating on day 16. It's as easy as that. So if you're trying to conceive, you start meeting your partner a day before your ovulation. That is day 15. You know, the ovulation lasts for 12 to 24 hours. So please, you start meeting your partner from day 15, a day before your ovulation. If the length of your cycle is 29, do 29 minus 14. Luteal phase is 14 days. 29 minus 14, it will give you 15. If you're trying to conceive, start meeting your partner on day 14, a day before ovulation and ovulation day. If your cycle is 28, minus 28 minus 14 to give you 14. If you want to conceive, start meeting from day 13, ahead of the ovulation day. That is the simple and easiest way to calculate your ovulation. If you have a short cycle, please track your period so that you'll be sure that you are not making mistake. Yes, this normal calculation of ovulation, there are other ways you can know when you are ovulating. It includes using ovulation test kits. I will drop the picture of the one I recommend here, clear blue. Please, it is a bit pricey. If you can afford it, it will give you accurate results. If you can't, do the one I taught you, the one of calculation. That one too is perfect. Some people might experience a body basal temperature, that is a rise in temperature. You can use the thermometer to measure it. Some may see a clear, slippery mucus is a sign of ovulation. But for you to see that slippery mucus, you need to stay hydrated. Drink enough water. Take berries, protein, omega-3 fatty acid. If you can, take okra water. It will help you to see that stretchy mucus is a sign of ovulation. Some people might feel headache. Some people might start feeling pain on their right abdomen. That is my own sign. I normally feel pain by the right side of my abdomen. Is a sign of ovulation. Yes. So please, if you have any question, regarding to this video, please feel free to drop it at the comment section. I will reply you. Yes, I will reply you. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Subscribe and be part of this amazing family. I make video on health, on fertility, weight loss, weight gain. I do a lot on this channel. Please support me. Support me. Thank you very much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.